In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim an audio clip on the timeline. Trimming is one of the simplest and most useful editing moves you'll make. It lets you clean up unwanted silence at the beginning, tighten the ending, or reveal more of the recording if there's extra material available. The great part is that trimming is non-destructive in most editors, so you're just adjusting the in and out points of the clip, not changing the original file. Start by placing your audio clip on the timeline. If it's already there, you're ready to go. Make sure the clip sits on an audio track where you can clearly see its waveform. That waveform is your visual guide. Large peaks often indicate speaking or music hits, and flat areas usually mean silence. Position your playhead roughly where you think the usable content begins or ends to give yourself a reference, but you don't need to make a precise cut yet. Next, move your mouse to the very start or the very end of the clip until the cursor changes to the red bracket tool, also known as the trim cursor. It should look and feel different from the regular selection or move cursor. Aim directly at the edge of the clip. If you're even a few pixels off, you might get a different tool. If you find it tricky to hit the edge, zooming the timeline view can help you be more precise. Now click and drag the edge. Dragging inward shortens the clip, hiding the part you no longer want. Dragging the start inward trims off the beginning. Dragging the end inward trims the tail. If more audio exists beyond the visible clip, dragging outward will reveal it. You'll notice the duration of the clip updating as you move, and the waveform will expand or contract accordingly. If you reach the actual end of the source file, the trim will stop. There's simply no more audio to reveal. Keep an eye on any nearby clips so you don't overlap them unintentionally. Snapping to the playhead or markers, if enabled, can help you land trims exactly where you want. Finally, release the mouse. Your clip is now trimmed. Because trimming is adjustable, you can repeat the process as many times as you like until it feels right. If you trim too much, just grab the edge again and pull it back out to recover audio, or use undo to revert your last change. With this simple technique, you can quickly refine your edit and keep